Na, 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 na.
Free shower for everyone. That pipe burst with some serious pressure.
Psych! Fucking hell.
Yeah, kind of what?
You're going in the up.
Bing. Splash. Now that is how you...
The kettle fights back. Newton's laws of physics are mean. Too heavy. The truck just decided it needed a nap.
Who needs four wheels anyway? Drive it like you stole it. Smooth operator on floor duty. That finishes glass.
چه خبر اینجا؟ می‌بینی کار ما رو؟ بگم.
Fire in the hole. That is absolutely disgusting. Run away.
Just your average roofing gorilla. Nothing to see here, folks.
Complimentary indoor waterfall. Now that is 5-star service.
Finale! Finale!
And I thought my job was messy. Mad respect for these guys.
Delivery failed. That shed just turned into instant firework. Now that is using your brain. A car jack to fix the floor gap.
Structural newspaper. That's the oldest scam in the book.
Come on.
High heels on a construction site. That's a bold strategy, Cotton.
Taking his pet tree for a walk. That's eco-friendly driving.
No, I'm gonna rule it 'cause I'm rough and tough. Better listen.
Tecnologia!
Just hanging out, painting the town beige. Spider-Man style.
The boss man says this morning, he says, hey, you think maybe you could go one...
That is not a jack point. Crunch time for the fender.
Giving it the old sledgehammer persuasion. Bam!
Digging your own grave. That rock collapse was massive. Close call. Thanks, Mr. Plow. Good luck digging your car out of that avalanche.